Blake Hill here. I'm going to step you through the process to enable AI for Enable Now. Okay, first thing you have to do is have an AI unit contract with SAP. This is a SAP to your client thing or your company thing, and it's not just Enable Now specific. It's for the usage of AI with all SAP things. So it's something you're going to want to have in place anyway. Um, we don't do that in my group. You have to go through your SAP salesperson, and they probably have connection with your IT leadership. So if this is important to you, it's good to get this in place. Next thing you have to do is you have to submit a support ticket that says specifically we want to use AI with SAP Enable Now. You label it this KBA and this number 348668.3. Uh, you submit that ticket. I say, okay, everything's in place, the contract's in place. AI will be available in Enable Now. Then the fun stuff. All right, so we're going to go into Enable Now Manager, and we're going to do the 3 steps it takes to make this available to you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our server settings, the features, because this is a new feature. We're going to make sure generative artificial intelligence is on. If this is grayed out, that means your contract's not in place, and SAP doesn't know that you want to use this with Enable Now. So that means you have to do steps 1 and 2, or both of them actually. So turn this on. Make sure you save it. Go to a specific work area where you want this to be available. So I'm going to access my work areas and go to my companion work area. I've got this new option here. I'm going to select that option and I'm going to say OK. So I've done the first thing, made it available for the system. I've done the second thing, made it available for the work area. And finally, I'm going to make it available for the user. So I'm going to go to my user. I've already enabled myself, so I'm going to enable a workmate. Here's Jairo. I'm going to edit as user. I'm going to go down here to user roles, and I'm going to pick this one right here, generative AI support. Make sure you check in the little box, because if you check in the wrong place, it deselects everything else, right? You just want to add it to everything they already have, and then say OK. All right, now we're ready. It's enabled. It's enabled for an author. It's enabled in a work area. It's enabled for the system. You need, at this point, you're going to have to log out, log back in, and make sure the changes take place and your cache is cleared. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually use it. So make sure you watch the next video.